All right, so what you're going to learn in this video is how to make $100 a day in 30 days with email marketing. I can't guarantee that you'll see the success, but this is the process that you're going to go through. Right, we have our happy face here. That is our lead. All right, we send our lead to our landing page or squeeze page where we give him something for free. He is taken to our thank you page where he goes through a little process about who we are about, what we're about, and how we can help him. Now he'll check his email where we will give him that free training. Now our free training will provide him with an extreme amount of value. This will get him to trust and like us. Now what we want to do is we want to continue to send emails that provide value and increase that trust and like factor. And eventually at some point down the funnel, maybe like your third, fourth, or fifth email, we can pitch him a product, and that will get us a commission or a sale or our own product. So someone who is using this system, or everybody on YouTube should be using this system. So this guy, Jeremy, who is a weight loss guy, uses this system, and he gives you a free full body workout PDF. Now, so for example, this is what he does. You click on his link here, and he gives you the PDF. You enter your name, your last name, and your email, and he will give you the PDF through email. Or what I recommend doing is you use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an easy way, especially if you don't have any technical experience, to build out a funnel. So what we are going to do is we are going to build a funnel. We open that in a new tab and we start a cookbook. All right. Now when we start a cookbook, we'll be created with a bunch of different funnels that is within ClickFunnels. But we are looking for the squeeze page funnel. So we select that funnel and it will build out a funnel for us. The funnel will contain a squeeze page and a thank you page. All right. So we would click the Jason squeeze page for free here, and it would build it out for us. So when it builds it out for us, we will be taken to this page here. Now we have this squeeze page here, and it would look something like this. So when you get into this little dashboard here, you'll be able to edit it in any way that you would like. For any of your niche, but we'll just leave this the same for now. But let's say we're Jason here. Now this is our funnel, and we're going to teach people how to run a profitable online business, and we will give them for their email step-by-step blueprint for unlimited wealth. They teach us. They're ready to teach us now. They brings up a pop-up, and the same thing. They enter their email address and they sign up, and they go to our thank you page where we say, hey, thanks for joining my list. Congratulations, you are now subscribed. I'm going to be sending you value and through email marketing, which will help you achieve your goal, which also helps with that and trust factor. And then we just kind of give them a little prompt on what to do next, just to confirm their email subscription, and I will send that right over. Now, to do this as well, we need a autoresponder, which I recommend using Aweber. Aweber makes it pretty easy, and all you need to do is create a campaign that sends out your PDF file. Pretty simple stuff, easy to use. Now, we have that all set up. What we are going to need to do is we are going to need to drive traffic to it. So we can drive traffic through a couple of factors here. We can drive it through YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and then we could use like forums or Quora. All right. Now, I think the numbers add up to about 67 emails a day. You could definitely do that if you work on it like 3 hours a day. The more you do it, the more links you'll have out, and the easier it'll get to reach that 67 mark in 30 days. So once we do reach that goal of 2,000 emails, if each email is worth $1 or spends $1 with us, we'll make $2,000. Now, if we optimize our email list a little bit more, and we get each email in there to spend $1.50 with us, that will get us to our $100 a day goal. And then so on and so forth. What if we optimize it just a little bit more and get each customer to spend $2 with us? That is $4,000 a month. So the process is pretty simple. If you're interested, I have left links to ClickFunnels and Aweber with a link in the description. where you can grab your free trials and try this out if you'd like.